Go to the screen.
Okay, so it's the demo. So go. Yeah, this is just the demo so far. Once we finish the 40 steps, and it's just basic, already inputted program. It's a preset, and so right now what we need to focus on is making our own program. Okay, so here we're just following the instructions, and we're gonna make it do a 360 turn for 5 seconds. We just inputted that, and so we're just checking how it's gonna work in a second. So, okay, play. Seems to be a problem. Okay, so this is the, it's once we found out the problem. The problem was that we didn't connect it. Sorry, we didn't connect it to the correct ports. So once we connected them, what happened was that it started doing the 360s just as it was programmed. So we're on number 47 now, step 47, and this is the program that we just made. So just as following the instructions, and then here we're gonna play it. Okay. Let's see. Does it work? Doesn't seem to be working. Is it all plugged in? Okay, so it seems that one of these weren't plugged in properly. So now we're gonna test it again. Test the program again. Let's go.
You tell the turn?
Yeah. So go. It runs smoothly. Done. Works perfectly. Ready to go. So as in the program, it moves forward, and then it stops once it sees something that is less than 30 centimeters away, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. And as you can see, yeah, done. See? It stops it when you put your hand
On the ground, ready?
Yep. Go. There.
Do I measure it?
Perfect.
Probably it's like to note the position of the robot. So like, let's say if it's saying like turn 45 degrees, it'll turn 45 degrees, and then this will know that it did turn. And if it wants to go back to that original position, then it'll know where to go.
Step 53, so the gyroscope, we just finished that, and here it is, and here are the steps. So it moves forward, then after 1 second, then it turns, and then it turns at a degree, and it uses the gyroscope as this tracks its position, and then it keeps moving forward, and then it's for 1 second again. So here, testing it out, it's gonna go like this. There seems to be a problem. It's not stopping. Okay, this is the second test. So the first one was a fail. It's because what happened was that the rotation was in the other way, and so it couldn't get to a proper 45 degrees, as it would just continue turning continuously forever. So this is the new one. Done. This is the program that was made for the, this is like a tractor that takes down bricks with the motor right over there. And so the program, what happens is that it puts down, first it puts down this, it puts it down in order to take this block, and then it moves, yeah, see here? It just goes like that using that motor just here. And so from there, what happens is that it does it for 1 second, so just so that it reaches the floor. Then it goes backwards in order to drag the block with it, and that's also for 1 second. So now the test. So we put the block there. Yeah, it goes like that. Done.
Hold it. Hold
Okay,
it.
so this is the robot we just finished. Again, the new steps. It's with the light sensor. So with the light reflecting against the white surface, it keeps running. whenever it's over
Yeah,
white,
stop it for
and
a
then
while.
over any other color, it stops and it doesn't move. See, it looks just like that. And then it's a program that continuously runs, and just when it detects a reflection in the light, so the white, then it keeps running, and then it stops when the light isn't reflected back. Okay, so this is with the color sensor. We made it so that when it sees the color blue, it will stop. And so right now we're just adjusting some settings, but we're done. So go play. See, so it just runs
color
continuously, and then if it senses blue, which is the color number 2, it's each color's is appointed a number, and so then it will stop, and that is the end of the
But
program. If it's another color, it won't work.
you can just press back.
Okay, we just finished this robot. This is the final step. After this, it's done. So it's with the touch sensor that we're doing this one. So this is here, right here. This is the touch sensor, and then this, it's still the sensor we used before for the other the light sensor. Yeah, that's it for the previous robot, or like the previous modifications. And so here, if we press play, if we press it, it goes backwards and it says hello. So as you can see here, it starts off where you press it 1, then it speaks 1, and then here it goes backwards, and that's for 1 second. So to test it out one more time, we just take this and it goes back. There were no bugs or anything. This is the first time we try it, and it worked well. I don't know what the gyro sensor is.
Maybe look it up. Did you record what he said? Look it up.